Hi, I want to show you how to use split screen for multitasking on Google Pixel 9a. So for that, we need to open our first app which supports split screen. For example, it could be Chrome or YouTube. I'm gonna open Chrome. Now, all you have to do is to open it in recents. So for that, if you have gesture navigation, swipe up till the middle to open recents. If you have here buttons navigation, then tap on square button. Now, you need to hold app's icon on the top, and then you should see split screen. So after that, you need to choose another app which you want to use in split screen. And by the way, you just need to add it to your recents as well. So let's add the second one. And for example, it will be, let it be, I don't know, calculator. So now I'm gonna just hold its icon, tap split screen, and tap Google Chrome. And now I can use those two apps at the same time, for example, for math calculations or something like that. Also, I can resize it by dragging this line down to make the upper app bigger, or up like that to make down app bigger. To close split screen, you just need to swipe up to open recents and swipe those two apps up like that. Or you can just drag this line up or down till the end to close one of two apps. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.